Engineer Someday. Juan Roget is also from Pumpuda. Born on August 8, 1998, and she dreams to be a high school teacher someday. Our Mr. and Miss in GPHS 2015. Ryan Crisostomo and Mariel May Laya. Ryan is the son of Roger and Josie Crisostomo, while Mariel is the daughter of Anna and Mildred Ryan. Ryan is from Bunga Bumbulan San Gabriel Union, while Mariel Deng is from Bensang Bumbulan San Gabriel Union. Ryan Crisostomo was born on February 1, 1999, while Mariel Deng was born on February 27, 2002. Ryan Crisostomo dreams to be a civil engineer someday, while Mariel Deng dreams to be an accountant someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. and Mrs. GPHS 2015, Ryan Crisostomo and Mariel May Laya. Yaman kami, madam.